Hi lovely people, this is Gabby and today I'm going to show you how to make this cute and easy taco amigurumi. As per usual, in the description you're going to find the stitch tutorials, materials, the free pattern and a link to my shop in case you want to support my channel. The materials I used are the following: Himalaya Dolphin Baby in light pink, yellow and green or any other fluffy yarn, 5.5mm crochet hook, black thread for the smile, fiber fill, scissors, stitch markers, yarn needle for sewing, and safety eyes. I used 10mm. Now let's get started with the taco shell. Row 1. 8 single crochets into a magic circle. If you don't know how to make the magic circle, I have a great tutorial with lots of explanations in the description down below. Row 2. Increase around. This means 2 single crochets into each stitch. Row 3. Single crochet followed by increase. You repeat that sequence till the end of the row. On the last stitch of the row, you place increase. Row 4. Single crochet in the next 2 stitches followed by increase. Row 5. Single crochet in the next 3 stitches followed by increase. Row 6, single crochet in the next 4 stitches followed by increase. Row 7, single crochet around. Row 8, front loops only, half double crochet around. Fold the taco shell in two and start sewing the back loops of the last round to close it. Stop firmly as you sew. Place the safety eyes between the fourth and the fifth rows. Now let's start the cheddar part. Use yellow yarn, row 1, chain 21 stitches. Row 2, starting from the second chain from the hook, single crochet across. Finish off. Now let's move on to the lettuce. Use green yarn, row 1, chain 21 stitches. Row 2, starting from the second chain from the hook, single crochet increase in every stitch. You need to make 2 strings of lettuce. Finish off the first one and don't finish off the second one. To crochet the 3 toppings together, you can find the first row of all 3 toppings and insert your crochet hook in all 3 parts. Yarn over and pull through. Single crochet all 21 stitches of the 3 toppings. Finish off. Sew the toppings to the taco shell by running the needle through the single crochet row of the toppings and the top loops of the closing of the shell. Embroider a smile. And you're ready! Thank you so much for watching and hopping on the journey to make this cute taco. Let me know in the comments below if you like this tutorial. I'll be very happy to see your creation. You can tag me on Instagram and show off your new taco friend. If this video was helpful to you, please like and subscribe. Also, if you happen to really like this video, you can support me by checking out my Etsy shop, which is called Amigurumi Forge. You can find the link in the description. Have a lovely day or night, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye bye now!